We are in the heart of Makassar, on the outskirts of Somerset West, at an early childhood development centre, where every day begins with a warm bowl of nourishment, filled with hope.
My naam is Sina Noordman. En my skooltjie is geleë in Makassar. Jy weet, om in die oggende 'n kind sonder kos skool toe te stuur, dit is hoe die kind funksioneer. Daai kind kan sy verstand kan nie reg funksioneer nie, want daar's niks breinkrag in sy verstand nie.
Start Well's nutritious breakfast porridge is more than just a meal. It's a life-changing start for thousands of children suffering from stunted growth. In partnership with Atterbury Foundation, we feed over 2,400 children daily across 59 schools in 7 provinces with measurable positive results. At the start of our program, 32% of children measured stunted. After just 11 months, that number has significantly dropped to only 25%.
Want as jy in die oggende vir die kind pap gee, dit voed sy brein en dit maak dat die kind kan funksioneer en beter kan funksioneer in die skool, want hy het iets in sy maag.
From birth to age 6, 90% of a child's brain develops. This is a critical, irreversible window. With proper nutrition, we see children growing in line with age milestones, better focus and learning, happier moods and more energy, increased school attendance, fewer illness, and fuller tummies for longer.
En ek kon sien die groot verskil wat die pap aan die kinders gemaak het en ek kon sien hoe vinnig groei hulle. En wat dit doen aan die kinders se verstand, né? Die kinders het nog nooit so vinnig gegroei nie. En jy kan sien aan die leer van hierdie kinders hoe vinnig verstaan hulle jou.
Our children don't just get a solid start, they're building a stronger future. 2,400 lives have been positively impacted forever. But 1.7 million children in our country still suffer from stunting and urgently need help. Thank you to We Buy Cars, Outturns and other donors for your generous contributions.
Ek wil regtig wil ek sê baie dankie. Ons waardeer dit. Hier's baie skole wat miskien nie vandag die voorreg het wat ek het om vir hulle kinders in die skooltjie pap te kan gee nie.
Together, we're not just changing the future of children in South Africa, we're shaping and strengthening it. Help us reach even more lives. The time to care is now.